Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping, and this is going to be a really short video, but I had just come up with this hack for my brother's scan and cut. I've got an older machine, a CM700. I've had it for about 7 years, and the standard mat is getting really hard to buy. I can't really find it anywhere in Australia. If you know somewhere I can get one, please let me know. But if you can see behind here, I'm not sure, I'll bring it close if you can see. You can see the pale blue. Well, my mat lost stickiness a long time ago. I tried everything to get it back. The washing it, the letting it dry, applying two-way glue, all that sort of stuff. And it never really kept the stickiness for very long. So then I resorted to using the blue dotty adhesive. So this is removable. I use it all the time to put things on and then till I'm not sure of the position. Anyway, it's great, except I had to start using too much of it, and then my blade was getting all gunked up with the glue. So I bought a replacement, which at the time I thought was going to work. It said that it worked with my model machine. It's this one. But apparently it doesn't, because it's for the DX model, which is not my model, and it doesn't have the same registration marks at the top, so my machine won't recognize it. So then I bought a universal mat, which again I was told, yes, that will work in my machine, but no, it doesn't, because it doesn't have the registration marks at the top either. So last week I was getting really frustrated. I spent 3 hours trying to cut out butterflies and was having no great success. No matter how much adhesive I put on the mat, that just wasn't working. So I thought, hang on, my universal craft mat is smaller than my original brother mat, and it is see-through. And even though it doesn't have the registration marks on it, if I put this on top of my original mat, then maybe it will work. Well, guess what? It works, and it works like a charm. It's like having a new mat all over again. And the blue removable adhesive that I put on there, this mat has stayed down, stayed stuck, has not shifted now for a week. I've used it probably every second day in the last week, so it's not like I've used it for weeks and months and years. It will eventually get to the stage where it won't stick anymore, but then I can choose to either put a more permanent adhesive. Now that I know that this works, I can put a more permanent adhesive underneath and have this mat on top. And then when this mat loses its stickiness and I can't get the stickiness back, then I can just take it off and buy another one and put it on. Or my other option, I thought, was when I need to replace this one, let me just put the cover back on it before I put something on it and regret it. Alright, so what I thought was this one that doesn't fit, I can actually cut this down around that black border and stick that on top of my original mat, and then my original mat will work because it's got the registration marks my machine needs, and I've got a new cutting surface. So there you go. I think I can get another couple of years of use out of this one and the other one for the DX. So there's my tip for the day. Don't go out, and if you can't buy the original mat and you want to, go, oh, I've got to get a new machine now because I can't buy the new mat, don't do it. Get a universal craft mat. They're actually quite cheap, and then just stick it on top of your normal mat that doesn't work anymore, doesn't stick anymore, and it's like having a brand new mat. It's worked brilliantly for me, and I am so chuffed that I came up with a solution to use two of the mats that I thought I'd never be able to use. And it's like, well, I can't sell them because postage will be way too expensive and a pain in the buy and post. So this is a great solution to use what I've got, make it work for me, and then I can still use my scanner cup. So if this tip has been helpful for you and it's going to get you out of a jam and not being able to use your machine, then give me the thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and hit that notify button so you know when my next video comes out. yeah, that's it from me today. I hope this has been helpful. I'll catch you later and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.